नमस्कार मु डॉक्टर सुधांशु पात्रो मु एचसीजी पंडा कैंसर हॉस्पिटल रे ऑन्कोलॉजी सीनियर कंसल्टेंट एंड हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट अच्छी। तो मु फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डॉक्टर शोभन कुमार रथ को थैंक यू कहना चाहिए कि लाइक विथ कमिंग अप विथ ए कोर्स व्हिच इज लाइक डन फर्स्ट टाइम इन ओडिशा। So like people who are like planning to become like aspiring for a pain physician, it's a like very like nice course and a tailored design course. And like I have attended many workshops and many like pain workshops, and I will definitely say this is like one of its kind, because like it's very much tailor made, and like it's like anyone can aspire, like who are willing to become a pain physician, like let it be anesthetist, radiologist, orthopedician, neurologist, chest physician, or a general physician. Like it's a awesome course, and like there are a lot of gray areas and a lot of hiccups in our mind, like what the pain physicians do, why they do, and like do we really need to like do a fellowship or whatnot. Like a lot of doubts had been cleared, and like we were like given like live patients, like hands-on on live patient, and lot of like those hiccups and doubts were cleared by Dr. Shobhan Kumar Ratha and Dr. Devashish Jena, and it was really awesome. Like you can like start your own pain clinic, or you can join a team, and definitely it's going to benefit the mainstream the patients who are suffering from pain. And like if you can relieve someone's pain, like what can be better than that. So I will definitely say, like if whatever hiccups you have, like please do come and join Dr. Shobhan Kumar Ratha, and like definitely he'll clear your like hiccups and doubts, and like about pain and all. And definitely it's a like awesome course. I'm going to give like 5 out of 5 stars to the course, and I'm really satisfied joining the course. Thank you.